7 o'clock in Seattle become dark, and Doug still working in motors. So Douglas Productions and Svetlana Productions movie Experiment Transformer big idea in mind. Sponsor of program Douglas Konzen, director of stage Svetlana Konzen. Enjoy the video and write what you think.
Maybe we're not so happy. Maybe we're not even slightly happy.
Okay, I was happy that we're not each other by the fuck tones. So what I'm doing now is from the inverter, I have this transformer on the 120 volt side. Take away this right here, take away that. So it goes right through the transformer and then into the other line. So it's in series on the high voltage side of the transformer. Knocks it down to 12 volts, and then I rectify it, and then it goes right back into the super caps via this full wave bridge rectifier. So what I'm doing is adding some extra power with a transformer vectored or in series with the primary. It's very interesting that to get it to work, see right now, there's nothing happening because I don't have a load across the secondary side of the transformer. Let's say I touch these together. One moment. Okay, I'll try to explain this better. Here's the AC line coming in from the inverter. It goes into one side of the transformer, right here. Comes out the other side, and that goes into the coil, the primary. Now you'd think it would work right now, but it doesn't even work, because you have to have the secondary shorted out. See, I shorted out? Shorting out the secondary. Now, it starts working. Hear it going. Likewise, you can put a full wave bridge rectifier and short out the DC side of the full wave bridge. I'll demonstrate that. Okay, it's all plugged in. You'd think it should be working. I have the 120 volt side of this transformer in series, and I have a full wave bridge, but it doesn't work. So, but watch, I short it out. Hear it going? Okay, now it works. Likewise, if you want to do more investigation, you can put an ammeter across this. I call it the crowbar. Put your ammeter in 20 amps. And I'll put the red okay, now watch this. Now we'll know what the amps are flowing. Almost 1 amp, 0.9 something. This is what's going across this full wave bridge. See that? If I take this off, it doesn't work. Okay, now take it one step further and fill up this supercap bank with what's coming out of here. Remember, this is the primary, the feed from the inverter on one line. It's in series. High voltage side of this 120 volt to 12 volt transformer, got from Radio Shack years ago. And the low voltage side goes into AC. Low voltage goes into a full wave bridge. And now I'm going to put the DC. See, again, I can just see what the amps are across there, crowbarring it. Or another good test, put this in volts, DC, and see what you're getting in this big supercap. One moment. Okay, this supercap's at 1504. I have the supercap positive and negative hooked to the full wave bridge, but it's not enough resistance, I guess it is. So I'm going to put 200 UF worth of caps in parallel across the AC line. Now it's humming. It goes up very rapidly. The draw during this period is 1.5 amps. If I do 100 UF, still going. Now the draw is much less. So you got to kind of tune the circuit output. So this is taking it off the inverter. Again, forget about that line. The circuit goes like this, through there and back. Take this out, this line here. So it goes right like that, in series. The 120 volt side of the transformer, 12 volt side into a full wave bridge, DC side of the full wave bridge going into the supercap. It's going up. And it looks like 100 UF is better than 200 UF. And this supercap goes right across the AC supercap, this 100 UF cap goes across the AC going into the full wave bridge to tune it, to resonate it, I guess it would be. And you see it's still going up. So this is a second power source to be knocking this super cap up. And I do have the normal thing, the output of this coil here going into its own full wave bridge rectifier. But I need to put a voltage doubler on this to get the voltage up to like 15 volts or so. So I'll have two sources of power stocking up the super cap, series transformer, and the coil output. So we'll see how this goes. I'm going to combine two power sources. Okay, thanks for watching.